I figure like Ipsy's like our hang video. Like this is like the video that if you're in the Just Like Drew crew, we like have a little chit chat. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 2 of February 2020 box week. I'm getting freaked out because I feel like the mirror in the back is showing. I'm gonna move this a little bit. I know it's awkward. I'm sorry that this is awkward, but I don't like the fact that you could like see the mirror. I don't know. It's just weird. Sorry. Well, first of all, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and Box Week is the best week every month. And I said like a month ago, I was like, I'm gonna stop explaining what Box Week is, but I guess I'm gonna do it today anyway. So basically there's gonna be a new video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on the second day. Today we're gonna be opening up Ipsy Glam Bake Plus, which is $25 a month. Before we get into that, so I talked a little bit about this last night, but I figure like Ipsy's like our hang video. Like this is like the video that if you're in the Just Like Drew crew, we like have a little chit chat. So just so you know, it's probably gonna be a few minutes of chit chat and then we'll get into the actual unboxing. So you may wanna like just fast forward if you're literally only here to see the unboxing part of this. So, I was actually supposed to post a giveaway video in the month of January. I actually have never really done this before where I'm like gonna post a video for giveaway and then I don't do this. So, I didn't end up posting it because, first of all, I kind of mentioned this last night. Literally, everyone in my family has been sick, like alternating weeks for the last month. Like, 2 of the kids were sick at one time, 1 of the kids was sick for a week, then I was sick, then Josh has been sick, and it's been like this whole alternating illness in the family, which has not been great. And so that's not been exciting. The other reason though is so one of our Just Like Drew crew, long time like Just Like Drew crew members, like one of the original OG crew members, Melissa G, actually she messaged me like a couple months ago and she's like, hey, she's like, I get a lot of subscriptions like you do, and she's like, I get like lots of products that I never use. She's like, I don't like, you know, they're not used or touched or anything, but like you know, I get stuff and I don't want them to go to waste. So she's like, would it be okay if I sent some to you to put into the giveaway? And I was like, absolutely. I'm like, I've literally like her and I like, you know, we've communicated back and forth, you know, over like the last couple of years, and I was like, that would be awesome. So she sent me 2 boxes full of goodies, like goodies, which I'm going to be putting into our stockpile giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be like the biggest giveaway I've ever done on my channel. And I also decided to wait to do it because I realized, so I actually started my YouTube channel at like February 29th. It was really Leap Day of 2016. So the 4-year anniversary on Leap Day of my channel is at the end of this month. So I decided I might as well wait till February, since this is going to be like the biggest, most exciting giveaway I've ever done on my channel, to do it in February. So at the end of this week, I really will be posting a phenomenal giveaway. I'm not even going to like have the giveaway box in any of the videos because I have to organize it because there's so much stuff it won't even fit into the box. Like that's like how crazy it's gonna be. Just know that at the end of this week, box week, I'm going to be posting the most insane, sick Just Like Drew giveaway ever. And it's gonna go probably till the end of the month, just to kind of like make sure that goes through like the day we started, to celebrate the fact that I've been doing YouTube for 4 years, which I really, really loved and enjoyed. And I'll probably make a video talking about that whole thing later. But so I just kind of wanted to update you guys. I know like, and I feel bad because like I know you guys request that I do different videos from time to time. And honestly, like the last couple months have just like with stress, holidays, work, sickness, birthdays. We have 3 family birthdays in the month of February. I feel like I just kind of like swallowed whole, and I actually feel like life is finally began to calm down and I can like get back into like doing the stuff that I'm excited and passionate about. So for real this time, really organizing my life to get back more videos on YouTube. Okay, so all that to be said, let's get into Ipsy. If at any point you're watching this video and you're thinking to myself, I really want to check that box for myself, I have a referral code down below in the description box below this video, so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so Ipsy, all right, the very top, okay, there's nothing on here. I just opened it, it was like everything was like there's no card, there's nothing. Okay, so on the top, there is a bag. I really like the bag. I like the pearlescent tone. We are definitely going to be putting this bag into the stockpile giveaway because I don't need any more makeup bags right now, and honestly I feel like any more bags would be crazy. Like I said, I'm not going to be actually showing the giveaway box during box week this week, and I'm just going to reveal all of it all of it in a big video at the end of the week because I feel like it's gonna lead up to some excitement. And trust me, y'all are gonna wanna see this. So, all right, the next thing we have here, oh my gosh, Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I have been seeing one of the Dominique Cosmetics palettes like on Instagram videos. I think it's the new like cafe one. Which one is this one? And I've never officially, I think, owned any Dominique Cosmetics. I think we got one palette in one of the boxes, but the color tones weren't really vibing with me. So I'm actually hoping that these color tones vibe with me. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh. These are all like some pretty mattes. These are pretty, guys. So, okay, these are all like mattes. They're all really pretty tones. So the only thing I don't like is that there's no shimmers. But I will say this would be really good for like building looks. I will swatch it because I've never actually swatched anything Dominique Cosmetics, and I feel like I need to actually see what the hype is all about formula-wise. So I'm going to swatch these on my arm. I'm going to actually try and do a legit unboxing video today. I don't know. It's like new year, new me, guys. Oh, same Drew. That's one thing that we can always agree upon that's not going to change is Drew Red. I'm really excited about this like blue. It's like a periwinkle color, and I don't really have much like that's this color. I'm like wiping stuff on my pants. Really not a great idea, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, so these are the shades on my arm. Can you see them? I always feel like I don't have enough mobility in my arms anymore. I like the blue. I feel like these are ones you're going to have to build up coverage though. Can you see that? I'm doing a really bad job. You can see I don't swatch enough. I don't swatch enough in videos to do a good job anymore. But these are the colors. I really like them. I like this blue tone a lot. Here, can you see it? See the ring light in the mirror too. I think these are pretty. I'm surprised though, like, for me, I will say I always feel like it's weird to give an all matte eyeshadow palette. I don't know. I think, the camera's blurry. Stop it. Find me. Okay, do you find me? Wait till the camera finds me. Maybe now. Oh shoot, I don't think it's gonna find me. I might have to like actually stop this and then come back. Oh, there we go. It found me. Okay, cool. So I feel like it's always weird whenever there's not a shimmer eyeshadow. Can I just be honest? Like I feel like that's always a weird thing to give all mattes. Only because I'm such a glitter girl. You guys, like if you watch my videos, you know like I'm a glitter obsessed. Like every makeup look usually has some sort of sparkle or glitter. I don't know if I've ever done a full matte look. Maybe that's the challenge I should do for myself this year, is see if I could actually stand doing an all matte eyeshadow look. I don't know. All right, next. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of face masks. Y'all know. Hey, I want to point out with face masks, I've been doing so good with like not buying masks. Like I've been like trying to actually use the masks I currently own. It's been a struggle to not buy masks. I might actually do it this week though, because I'm at the point where I'm like, okay, I need new masks. All right, so then we have 3 face masks from Sweet Chef. There is ginger plus vitamin C, kale plus vitamin B, and beet plus vitamin A fresh pressed sheet mask. Ooh, the beet refines pores and smooths rough skin. I need that. The kale hydrates and soothes dry skin. And then the ginger brightens dark spots and uneven tone. I am going to put the kale one into the giveaway. And I'm going to try the beet and the ginger. So we'll put 1 in, keep 2. I've never actually tried Sweet Chef, so I'm excited to try that. Alright, next we have Il Maquillage Ink Liner. Is this an eyeliner? In black. I bet this is an eyeliner. If this is an eyeliner, I think I told you guys this last month. If I didn't, I'll tell you again. I actually don't, yeah, this is a black eyeliner. Can't talk. I said blink. A black ink eyeliner. I actually don't use eyeliner anymore. I just do full liner with black eyeshadow. I've been doing it for like over a year. I'm obsessed. This is going in the giveaway, by the way. It looks awesome. I actually am thinking about maybe starting to use eyeliner again, but not today. Gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Next we have BioRace Low Serum Hydrate. I can't say anything. It's serum. It's a hydrating serum by BioRace. Oh, this looks really cool. All day hydrating serum for moisturizing and improving the skin's complexion. I won't lie to you guys, I love serum. I use like 2 serums a day. I do. I love serum. I'm like obsessed with it. And I don't know if I've ever tried this brand before. And I don't see a card in here. So I want to look at the card to see like what the deal is with this type of serum. Is that weird? There's no card. Do you feel weird about that? I feel weird about that. And then finally we have, what is this? It looks like LaRousse Beauty. Are these brushes? I bet these are brushes. Oh, this looks pretty. I actually was just thinking though that I should update my brushes. Like my brushes have been looking a little tired and ragged. So I might actually keep brushes this year to like fix my brush collection. But let's see what these are. Oh my gosh, these are brushes. Oh, look how pretty these are. Oh my God. These are so pretty. Look at these. I am a little bummed that there is nothing. So this is a foundation brush. Okay. And I actually started using foundation brushes again. I used to only use the sponges. Now I started using brushes again. This is a angle contour brush. Interesting. Okay. I kind of like the way that it feels. I don't know. Okay, this is a kabuki brush. Oh, weird. Unexpected. All these are so unexpected, these brushes. This is a tapered blending brush. Okay, I see you, tapered blending brush. And this is a shadow brush. Okay, well that was probably easy to figure out. I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay, so I'm actually going to put the brushes into the stockpile giveaway. Like, I'd like to be adding my brush collection, but some of these, like, I feel like I just got a foundation brush recently, and I believe we just got like a contour brush recently too, and I do have similar eyeshadow brushes, so I'm gonna put these into the stockpile giveaway. I'm gonna put back in the little case there. This giveaway is gonna be nuts. And then I'm actually gonna try a swatch of the serum, only because I always wanna see what different serums feel like. I'm really, like I said, I'm a serum girl. I don't care, I don't know. And I don't know what is what serum, but I used to not, so the funny thing is I used to not use serum, and then now like I feel like it is the most magical part of my skin routine. Do you feel like that? You know what I mean? Like with serum, I don't know. If you're not using serum, you should be, by the way. And if you're like, when do I put on serum? You put on serum before you put on your moisturizer. When should you put it on? Every morning and every single night. Serum is amazing. All right, this ad has been brought to you by Serum. All right, so this has like a really nice, like gooey texture. Oh, whoa. Ooh, oh girl, this is hydrating. This is crazy. This feels like really like wet though. Like, which I know you're like, Paige, it's wet. But you guys, I think if you use serum, you know what I mean? Like it has a really like glossy, wet texture to it, wet feeling. And it has a little bit of a scent. I'm interested to see what that's actually like once it's on my face, because I've used a lot of different types of serum and this one is a little different. I just kind of hope it doesn't leave a sticky after feeling. So, all right, let's go ahead and recap the box. So, if I could find it, we got a bunch of face masks. We got 3 face masks from Sweet Chef. I'm keeping 2, putting 1 in the giveaway. We got this LaRousse brush set right here. We got a bunch of eyeshadow brushes. We got like literally like a full brush set, which I'm really excited about. Foundation brush, tapered contouring brush. That's actually going into our stockpile giveaway, which is gonna be massive. We got this cute little bag, which is going in there as well. We got the Il Maquillage eyeliner, which is also going into the stockpile giveaway. We got the Dominique Cosmetics matte eyeshadow palette, which I'm excited to try these tones. They're really pretty. There's just no shimmers. That's my only complaint, just because I love shimmers, but I feel like the tones alone are good. Also, there they are swatched on me. And then we got this I can't say it, the serum. Whatever type of serum is, we got it. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Box Week. Already talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. 4 different teas. What are you doing? Stop. Stop. Okay, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, these are the refillable, or the tea bags that they send you every month to actually put the loose leaf teas in.